Hi, this is Russ Ward for Pixels and Pills, reporting from the ePharma conference in Philadelphia. And I have Chris Truelove from MedAd News speaking with us today. How are you, Chris?
I'm doing well, thank you.
That's very good. Chris, can you tell us how things are going with the conference and what's happening out on the floor?
Conference seems to be going well. There's a lot of busy, engaged people out there. Some networking, of course, as always, and the sessions have been interesting so far.
And from your experience being around this industry and seeing what's been happening with the FDA submission deadline looming, how do you think the industry is progressing with submissions, and how do you think the pharmaceutical community is handling the process?
Well, I think with the FDA submissions, I think the industry is making their presentations, as they always have to do, but ultimately I think they're going to be going ahead without waiting for FDA's guidelines on social media and trying to set up their own guides at companies to determine how to go about engaging in this space.
So do you think that it really looks as if the industry needs to continue to forge a path forward in a way that makes sense, but try and do it in a safe way?
I believe that. I also believe that whatever they will try, FDA being FDA and things being in the past as they continue to be right now, they'll try something and then get kicked in the teeth.
So a bit of caution might be at best at hand.
Well, I think caution is good. Unfortunately, you could be as cautious as you can be, and everyone knows that those warning letters come no matter what.
I see. So are there any new technologies here that you've seen that might make a difference to what's happening in this space?
I think I haven't really seen any new technologies. Flip cameras and video cameras, of course, are prevalent. But as far as how they're used, pharma still has to determine what they're going to be doing with them.
So more of the same, basically.
More of the same.
Very good. Any other comments you'd like to make for us before we sign off?
No, not at this time.
Chris, thanks very much for your time today, and we look forward to seeing you again.
All right,
Thank you. This is Russ Ward for Pixels and Pills from the ePharma conference in Philadelphia.